First, set the mood. Light a few candles. Soothe your senses with calming music. Shoulder massage. Step 1. Use our rejuvenating oil to warm up your shoulders. Start at the base of the skull, then move down to your shoulders. Step 2. Squeeze towards your shoulder blades. Step 3. Massage in gentle circular motions. Step 4. Keeping your hand pressed down, turn your head in the opposite direction. For lower arm. Step 1. Use our calming massage oil to warm it up. Step 2. Use your knuckles to firmly massage up and down your arm to release any discomfort or tightness. Step 3. Use your thumb and apply gentle circular motions on areas that feel tight. Step 5. Use gentle thumb circles at the base of your hand. Leg massage. Step 1. Use our massage oil to warm up your legs. Massage from your ankle to your knee. Step 2. Do circular movements around your ankle towards your shin. Step 3. Massage between your toes upwards. Enjoy these massages and unwind with human nature.